Hey, what's up, everybody? Terry White here. And when you want to select an object in Lightroom or Lightroom Classic, it may not be as obvious because there's masking there for doing AI masking for select subject and background and landscape and people and all that. But what if you want to just select a specific object that's not one of those categories? Well, here's how to do it. For example, I've got this bank vault that I took a picture of. I just thought it was interesting to look at. And let's say I just want to select this hinge. Well, in the past, you would go into your develop module and you would have to go to masking and you would painstakingly use the brush to brush the whole thing. And hopefully you got it all. Hopefully you didn't miss anything. And it was just time consuming. So I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to go back to the masking. And this time, instead of using any of these, I'm just going to go to objects. And when you go to objects, there's a choice. You can use a brush. It's a better brush for selecting objects than the original brush. But better yet, there's this marquee icon. And with the marquee icon, you can literally just drag it around the object you want, even if it's overlapping other objects. And when you let go, Lightroom will usually do a really good job of masking just that one object. Now, masking means selections. And what does that mean? Once I make the selection, that means I can do anything I want to it that Lightroom can do. I can change the color of it. I can adjust the exposure of it. I can do any task that Lightroom can do, but now I'm doing a selective edit on just that one mask. You can also subtract and add to the mask. So if you want to add another object, you could. If you want to subtract, maybe grab too much of that object, you could. And you can use any method you want to add and subtract. So you could use a brush to subtract, or you can even use the select objects to add and subtract as well. So that's a quick look at how masking objects works here in Lightroom Classic. The same thing works in Lightroom Desktop. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.